Hi guys, my name is MUA and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something really fun and we're going to do an almost full face of first impressions. So as you might know, I have been visiting the USA for the last few weeks and I picked up a lot of new makeup that we're going to try today. So if you'd like to see what look I come up with, please keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I picked up the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer that I'm going to put all over my face. Okay, so I smoothed it all over my skin and it does become really tacky, which is usually a good sign because the foundation has something to stick to. And it also feels really hydrating on the skin, which is really nice. Okay, so for foundation I wanted to pick up the new Juvia's Place foundation, but the Ulta I went to didn't have my shade anymore. So I just picked up the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 240. Okay, so this is my normal shade of foundation as you can tell, and I became really tan when I was in the USA, so I'm gonna blend down really far. Okay, so for concealer I have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Fair Beige. I know I'm really late to the game trying this out today, but it's really hard to get where I live, so let's see how this goes. Also, by the way, my dad is mowing the lawn, so sorry for the noise. Oh my god, I put on way too much. Because I didn't expect the coverage to be this good. Okay, so what I've done is I've gone over with a little bit more foundation, and later we're going to go over with a little more bronzer and contour powder to try and fix this. Okay, so to set this mess in place, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder in the shade Butter. Because I'm going in with a damp sponge, normally when I use my Laura Mercier powder it forms these little wet balls of powder on my face, which I just can't brush off, so I don't really mind. But the Fenty Beauty powder really doesn't do that, and it goes on very smooth on my skin. Okay, so I did my eyebrows off camera because I didn't have anything new to try, and I'm really excited to go onto eyes because I have the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette. Okay, so first things first, I'm priming my eyes using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. And first I'm going in with the shade Gumdrop from the Jawbreaker palette, which is a pastel purple. And I'm gonna put that right here in the outer crease. So right off the bat I'm noticing that this purple is really pigmented, which is really promising because purples are really hard to make. Okay, so I'm deepening up the outer corner and the crease using the shade Soaked, which is a royal blue. Now I'm going back over the edge with the shade Gumdrop to blend it out. And then I'm going in with the shade Bubblegum, which is a bright pink shade, to blend out the purple. Okay, so now I'm going back in with a little bit of the Anastasia primer to cut the crease and setting that with the shade Virgin from the Jawbreaker palette. And to blend together the white and the blue, I'm gonna go in with the shade Brain Freeze. And now I'm going in with the same colors on the lower lash line. And now with a little bit of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Drug Lord, I'm gonna line the lower waterline and create a new inner corner. Now I'm gonna put on some liner using the new Anastasia Black Liquid Liner. And to spice up the look a little bit more, I want to apply some of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in the shade Distortion to the crease. Okay, so I'm gonna finish with my other eye and pop on some lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, so that's the eyes all finished, and I also did my contour off camera because I didn't have anything new to try. And now I'm gonna go in with the MAC blush in the shade Peaches. And I'm gonna pull this all the way from the front to the back to give my face this more snatched look. And now I'm gonna lightly bake again using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Powder. And because the eyes are more matte, I want to give the skin a dewy look using the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in the shade Fire Crystal, which is this one. And now I'm finishing off the skin using a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set Setting Spray. And last but not least, I have the Morphe lip pencil in the shade Bite Me and the Morphe matte lipstick in the shade Honey. Okay you guys, so that is it for the finished look. I really love how this turned out, and I kind of loved all the products in this video. The only thing I would have to say is that the base is looking a little bit questionable. But that's, I guess, because of the foundation and the concealer, which are both very matte, and I have pretty dry skin. So next time I'm going to try and moisturize a lot more before using those, because I love the coverage and the texture they gave me. So let me know in the comments down below what you think of this look. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more from me. You can also follow me on Instagram to see more of my creative type looks, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!